Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Nano Dimension as well as my price targets and my option play that I did today. So if you guys are interested in watching, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where like-minded people can get together, talk about stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, and just share ideas to help grow our accounts together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. And it's only 33 cents a day. I will leave my link down below if you guys are interested. So the market has taken a beating this past couple of weeks, which essentially wiped out our gains from this year and some from last year, but it also creates good opportunities for people who have been wanting to buy stocks. They can now because everything is down. So let's take a look at Nano Dimension. So Nano Dimension is down 13% today and it's trading around 762. We take a look at the 1 week charts, it's down 23%. 1 month it's down 46%. 3 months it's still up 11%. 1 year it is up 457%. So this used to be a penny stock. They do have earnings coming up on March 11th. So there's an article and it says why Nano Dimension fell 28.4% in February. Despite recent declines, Nano Dimension stock has skyrocketed roughly 653% over the last year. Its machines could pave the way for some revolutionary breakthroughs, but that doesn't mean the young company is immune to the market volatility. Substantial gains for treasury bond rates prompted some investors to move out of tech stocks in favor of safer investment vehicles in February. The dynamic has raised questions about whether tech's incredible run is coming to a halt. Nano Dimension's share price has soared over the last year amid signs of long-term demand for the company's 3D printing machines, which are tailored for the additive production of semiconductors and other high-end electronics components. The company has a market capitalization of roughly $2.2 billion and is valued at approximately 436.5 times this year's expected sales even after recent sell-offs. The pandemic has impacted near-term demand for its Dragonfly 3D printers, but management is seeing relatively encouraging performance for machine upgrades and initial device sales. For the 2020 fiscal year, Nano Dimension expects to report roughly $3.4 million in sales. The company also estimates having cash reserves of roughly $990 million against zero debt as of January 31st, 2021, and it's preparing for a substantial sales push in anticipation of rebounding demand. They also have been doing a lot of stock offerings, means they are raising cash to expand their company, and I am very bullish on this. So that's why I decided to buy a call option today. Let's just take a look at that call option. So far I have one cash secure put and one call option. So this is a long-term call option. It expires December. It was only $251 that I paid for this call option. It is a 10 strike price and my break-even price is $12.58. I do believe we're going to get past $12.58 and we're going to make a new all-time high by December, and that's why I decided to buy this call option. And if you guys are considering buying shares or options, just look at the call options and go further out in time. When you buy a call option that's further out, that gives you more time for the stock to go in the direction that you want it to go. So the reason I chose a December call option is because there's more time for the stock price to get where it needs to go, which is above $15. So let's look at the options chain. So I am using Robinhood. So there's different expiration dates. March 19th, which is in a couple weeks. The call options are fairly cheap, but there is a chance that it won't recover that soon. You can also consider a May 21st, that's in a couple of months, and it's $1.35. But if you pay an extra $100, you get to add on more time to the call options, which is perfect because now you have an extra few months for the stock price to get where it needs to go. So that is definitely a option play that you guys can consider. And that's all I have for you guys. Below, if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.